Hey, Word Explorers! Welcome back to Vocab with Aileen. Today's idiom is so chill that it could probably wear sunglasses indoors. The idiom of the day is cool as a cucumber. It doesn't mean your face turns green or you start rolling around in a salad. Nope. It simply means staying calm and relaxed, even when things around you are a little crazy. Imagine your teacher suddenly says, "Pop quiz, most kids are panic mode on." But you're sitting there smiling, cool as a cucumber. Or you spill juice on the sofa. Everyone, but your dog just lies there like, "Relax, humans, I'm cool as a cucumber." So, next time you're calm, remember, you're as cool as a cucumber. If you enjoyed today's idiom fun, don't forget to like, share and subscribe because more cool words are coming your way with Vocab with Aileen. Bye!